Is that okay?
I thought you had to scab it off. Yeah, that'd be good.
You said take it off, and I'm like, it shouldn't be running when we take the scabbard off, okay?
Go ahead, I'm not doing anything.
All right, thank you.
This is not going to be
In
easy to...
fear for my hands.
It's easy harder than a weed eater, I can tell you that. So.
Okay. All right. Do your thing.
I'm going to try, but I'm going to have to stand on
this flossy G. Okay, y'all, this is the pole saw right here. The Maxtra pole saw. And we're going to try to use it today to just play around and work on the dead willow tree if we can get it cranked. Well, we finally got it cranked. It was pretty hard because the compression was so tight. And I guess maybe that's because it's new, but it got easier after we did about, what, 75 pulls? Not that bad, but I think it's about 20 pulls. This is the willow that we're going to cut down. None of it sprouted out up high last year. Some sprouted out on the trunk, but then died shortly thereafter. They're not very long lived anyway, and we'd have 2 more out front. So we're going to try to just take off some of the branches, just kind of play around with the Maxtra. And then eventually we'll take this whole thing down, and we have plans for this area right here. They're very exciting plans to be revealed in the future.
Number 1, don't cut your foot off. Number 2, don't cut your sister's foot off. But no, we're out here and it's really kind of a windy day, and as you can see, it's chilly because we had a lot of rain, so a lot of moisture. But 2 things to consider, because it's a pole saw, you don't have to like cut a big thing first and then trim all the other stuff off. Cut off as much small stuff as you can.
She's talking about little branches like that one poking out to the left over there.
Yeah, so we're going to cut off the little stuff first and then stand back far enough that we can cut, you know, up higher and let the branch just fall, because we want to try and keep as many long pieces of the main body of the branches
For projects,
for
right?
projects.
Yeah.
So so that's what we're going to do. And I always think about, like, when you're cutting, your first cut should be like an undercut, kind of a starter cut, so that when the the limb or the tree falls, it doesn't have a place that it catches in strips.
Yeah, same as if you were using a handsaw.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty much.
And who gets to cut first?
You do.
Woo-hoo!
Because
I have never used one. I've never used a chainsaw even.
Yeah.
So this is going to be
Interesting.
exciting.
It's going to be interesting.
Hopefully not too exciting. But
yeah.
Pam's a good teacher. She's going to keep me from doing anything stupid, I hope.
Cha. The other thing to think about while Sandy's trying to decide where she's going is the layout of the tree and how the limbs are going to fall. You don't want to cut a bunch of them and end up with them hung up in the tree. So she's going to cut the small stuff, and then she's going to cut that far branch on the left-hand side.
It's pretty heavy for me.
Undercutting first. There we go. Keep on cutting.
Funny how it rings up.
Do you want to put the strap on?
I can't reach up any higher than
That's
that.
fine.
It's
That's
too heavy.
just enough so if it falls, it's not going to nothing's going to slap you in the face.
Right.
So you can go ahead and cut that. Yeah, let me film
Do I
it.
need to do more?
No, that's good. see she's got a nice wedge. I can't even see the tree. Got a nice wedge cut out. Timber! Awesome.
Worked out just right. Right, let's take a break.
Now,
My arm's tired.
Now the scary part is that went exactly where we wanted it to go the first time.